Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your business listings with Yelp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Yelp for Business Owners website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Enter your business name and location. If your business appears in the search results, select it. If not, click on Add Your Business to Yelp. Fill out the necessary information about your business. This includes your business category, address, phone number, and website. Make sure to provide accurate and complete information. Once you have entered the details, click on Continue. Next, verify your business ownership. You can choose to verify via phone or email. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts. After verification, claim your business profile. This allows you to manage your listing and respond to reviews. Now, you can customize your business page. Add photos to showcase your products and services. Write a compelling business description that highlights what you offer. Adjust your operating hours to reflect your actual business schedule. Next, encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, to show engagement. Consider using Yelp's advertising options to increase visibility. Monitor your listing regularly for updates and changes. Stay informed about Yelp's policies to ensure compliance. With these steps, your business will be secured on Yelp. This will help attract more customers and improve your online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.